The car is a 1986 Ford Mustang GT. The car brings together a few of my really favorite parts of automotive culture, pro touring and pro street. This is a small block Ford, 427 cubic inches. It's based on a 351 Windsor block. It's all aftermarket parts, man-of-war block. The superchargers are from TorqueStorm. It's their twin centrifugal supercharger kit. There are some original components, but most everything has been modified on the car. One of my favorite things about the modifications of the car is the sunroof. I'm running Air Ride from RideTech and the RideTech 3-gallon air pod. The interior work is exceptional. So Fox body Mustangs are known to be full of plastic. All the body internal pieces are all plastic. So they've all been leather wrapped and stitched with Apex leather. The weather stripping from Steele Rubber Products was exceptional. It was super simple to order. There's different kits that you guys have for the different body styles of Mustangs, so it was very, very simple.